Hey, what's going on guys, it's Avat here, and today we're going to be unboxing the B660M Aorus DDR4. Now, if you're looking for a gaming motherboard and are on a strict budget and can't afford the new top of the line or a Z690 series, the B660M might be just a great pick for you. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so in first impressions, this does have a really sleek design. Alright, so let's check out what else we have in the box. We do have a user manual. Other than that, we just have two SATA cables and some screws for your motherboards. That's all we get in the box. Alright, so now going back to the motherboard. Okay, so now having a look at the ports, we do have a ultra-fast USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port over here. We do have a USB 3.2 USB-A port that is also Gen 2. Here we have USB 3.2 Gen A ports. We have 4 of them. We have 4 USB 2.0, just normal USB-A ports. We have a Ethernet port over here, SPDIF output port, and we have 2 audio ports. Okay, so right off the back, the new Aorus B660 Pro supports the new Intel 12th Gen processors, which includes the Intel Gold, Intel Celeron, and Intel Core processors. The chipset used here is the Intel B60 Express chipset, which is located right here. One of the key features that this motherboard likes to highlight is the 12+1+1 twin hybrid digital VRM design with 60 DRMOS. Now coming to the RAM. Like the name suggests, this motherboard is specifically limited to DDR4. However, if you're specifically looking for DDR5, you can grab the DDR5 version of this specific motherboard. Now for the RAM, these RAM slots do support all the way from 2133 MHz to 5333 MHz overclock RAM. The B660M Aorus Pro also supports shielded memory routing, which means the memory routing is under the inner PCB layer. The 2.5 GBE Intel LAN chip on the motherboard allows the motherboard to draw speeds at broadbands up to 2.5 GB per second. The motherboard also features dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0x4 M.2 with thermal guard, and the USB Type-C port on the motherboard is capable of transferring data at the speed of 20 GB per second. Another unique feature that the motherboard provides is the support of QFlash Plus, which enables the motherboard to update its BIOS without installing any CPU, graphics card or RAM. So since this is an unboxing video, judging by looks, the thermal performance on this motherboard should be phenomenal. The fully covered MOSFET heatsink with multi-cut design, the M.2 thermal guard, the 2 copper PCBs, and the SmartFan 6 technology should help this motherboard maintain top-notch performance while in build, while staying cool and quiet at the same time. Okay, so lastly, coming to the aesthetics. So when you're going for a gaming motherboard, you would expect it to have some form of RGB or the other, and the Aorus B660M Pro also ticks that box. It comes with the RGB 2.0 Fusion, which is accompanied with a multi-zone addressable LED light show design, so that should fill up with your RGB needs. Okay, so that's all for today. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe to Aorus's channel, ring that bell icon to be notified of all future videos, and lastly, leave a like on this video. Thank you, peace out.